How to close Edward Jones account. Follow these instructions. Gather your Edward Jones account number, ID, and documents. This helps verify your identity when requesting closure. Contact your Edward Jones advisor by phone or visit the office to inform them that you want to close your account in 2025. Sell all assets or transfer them to another broker using Account to avoid delays when closing your Edward Jones account. Settle any pending fees, maintenance charges, or transactions before submitting a closure request to avoid account lock. Ask your advisor to begin the formal account closure process. This might include signing a form or written confirmation. Wait for written or email confirmation from Edward Jones to ensure your account has been officially closed. Keep your final statement and check for tax forms, especially if you had dividends or sold assets before closure. Thank you for watching.